Hi, and today we are going to do an activity from the Numberblocks magazine, issue 51. This is the activity. It's called Up to a Million. It's time to dream big with one. Add stickers to count up in tens and make 1 million. We can always add more blocks to make bigger numbers. 10 ones are 10. So we will trace 10. Noori, can you put this sticker over here? Wow! So 10 ones are 10. Let me just put the sticker on. Ten tens are 100. Take this one. Noori, which one do we put it on? Let's put it over here. Noori, put it on. Well done, Noori. I'm 1000 once, this says. We need to trace the number 1000.
This.
Noori, this is number block 18. This sticker is for a different activity. Let's just put it back. So now we have got 1000. Put it over here, please. Well done. Good job, Noori.
Yes.
10 lots of 1000 are 10,000. And 10,000. Noori, you took the right sticker. Noori, please can you stick this sticker over here? Well done. Okay, just a little bump. Lots of 1000 are 10,000. Over here it says 10 lots of 10,000 are 100,000. $100,000. The 3 zeros at the end of a number mean 1,000. Noori, this is the sticker we are going to put on.
Yes.
So, Noori, can you put the sticker over here? Well done.
What's it got it?
Let me just put it on myself. Good. So now the last sticker for this activity, the 1 million sticker. First, let me write 1 million.
And here. And here this way.
And 10 lots of 100,000 are 1 million. Noori, sticker time. Can you put the sticker over here?
Please put on.
So, we have finished this activity of the Numberblocks magazine, and this activity is called Up to a Million.